Discord
I'm not alone.
kitten. I'm telling you, I'm being catfished. I'm being catfished. Discord stinking kitten. I don't like explaining people. I feel like I'm violating them. Life could be a dream. I wish I could take you into the radius. Oh, yeah, I'm fine. There's nothing wrong at all. Look at your light. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, this way. This way. Yeah. Something up there. I like to go up there. I'm a looter. What's that? 4 days, 3 hours, and 43 minutes? Until what? Alright. I know this game messes with your mind, but, like, my mind's gonna get messed up with. Remember, safety off. We're in gamer mode now. So I'm guessing, so we have food. So I'm guessing the food is another thing we're gonna have to take care of. Anomalies? Anemones? Anemones? Box. I like the box. What the? Whoa.
Attention. This is UNPSC emergency guidance recording L1-61. If you are listening to this, you are most likely suffering from one or more of the following conditions: a sense of displacement, disorientation, memory loss, ataxia, and visual auditory hallucinations. Please remain calm. You are experiencing the adverse effects of prolonged exposure to the Pechorsk radius. This recording was placed here by the UNPSC to guide affected personnel to safety. Inside this emergency cache, you will find a basic survival kit that will get you to the nearest research outpost. Enter the fog to find it.
Okay. So that's recording, because that was some stuff. I don't like recordings that open when I open things. I like to know what's going on. I like knowing stuff. It's my stuff. It's my jam. Do I have a light on this? Oh, like a midnight mode. Put that off. Yeah, thank you. So hallucinations. Can't wait for that. Alright, let's get to the objective. So we're traveling, alright. We're balling. Retrieve the wristwatch. I wanna fight on. Feel the rage, feel the burn. Dang, steal these people's stuff. Oh, he sees me. How come I hear you from all the way over here? Alright, you're the bad guys. Right, stab. Ha! Eat that! Hopefully this game doesn't use, like, my own voice to hear enemies. That'd be nice. Hey buddy, you wanna say something nice? Something reassuring? Like, oh, it's not that bad.
What's this unrolled hum again? Just got the new coil installed, should work alright. Gotta lock the thing up before some sneaky bastard breaks in and steals it again. Where did the key go?
Dog. We don't say that stuff. Luckily it's auto-censored. Okay, this way. That had no funny. It's all serious. You do not sound right. That is not so alarm mode. That is not so alarm mode. Sir, I need you to shut the crap up. I do not care a piece of crap about you, sir. Sir, yes, you. Yeah. Yeah, I'm that guy. It looks like some... I hate the noises. Let's see if it's bad. I don't like explaining people. I feel like I'm violating them. Alright. Lost Logs, the Burnman 1.1. I don't remember my name or why I'm here. I just know that I felt the sting of death and the parting gift was fear. Black Post was my grave. I've gone up unprepared and found myself surrounded. Soldiers entering clip after clip at a concrete barrier that I ducked behind. Shooting lasted for what felt like hours. Dog. What happened to you, bro? Also, you have really nice handwriting, not gonna lie. The paper was worse than your handwriting. That's a skill. Alright. Looting up food, yes, like I thought, I knew it. I feel like a zombie or something's gonna come up behind me. You lock it and just dome you. The sounds that you hear. The typewriters in the beginning scared me. I don't like that. Wait, I'm not gonna go down there. I'm gonna kill this thing. They can't hurt me up here. They can't hurt me up here. They can't hurt me. I'm fine up here. It's not like they can climb, right? They can make... Ooh, that's a shoddy shell. Take that. It's like all the loot my guy. Strange bullets. Oh, this is so big. I'm on Quest 2, guys. This is very high quality for Quest 2. Oh, what's this? UAZ died in the middle of the road just before the motor depot by the Provome route. Had to get out of there fast and left the ammo in a hurry. Gotta come back to fetch it. That's interesting to know. Stash. It's a stash. Okay. Middle of the road just before the motor depot by the Provome route. So there's ammo there. Hopefully that store's somewhere. Looks like we have to go down here. Alright. Where are we map-wise? Yeah, it's right down here. That's important. It's like the watch. There's so much stuff. I want all the stuff. Stuff. Grab the crap. I don't know what this is. I don't care. Grab the crap. What was that? I thought you just... Hi. You ugly.
Help me, please. That wasn't really me, just an image. I'm trapped somewhere terrible. I don't know where, just that it's dark here. And I can't move. I'm so sick of this place, whatever it is. My name's Katya, by the way. I'm so glad I found you. Finally,
Discord
I'm not alone.
kitten. I'm telling you, I'm being catfished. I'm being catfished. Discord stinking kitten. Okay, should I go in here? I'm not going in here. I don't care. I do care. I'm afraid. I'm very much afraid. I'm so afraid. Stuff right here. I love stuff. I love stuff. I don't love this game though. I don't know why I'm playing this. I'm a scary cat. I don't know why I'm playing this game. Confused maybe? People like seeing people suffer, right? Knowing that there's nothing here makes me feel so safe. Hi, sentry gun. You're the most animate thing there is here. I love this sentry gun. I'm not the engineer from TF2, but that sentry gun is so nice. Keeping this place protected. Heavy 500 inch 500 inch giant bullets ready to put a crater through someone's head. Just like that. Alright, what's in here? What's in here? Oh, I can recover stuff for money. I don't have money. You can submit your mission objectives, repair and upgrade your weapons. Well, delivery. Oh, I'm gonna give it to you? Equipment retrieval. I just had this weird dream that felt so real. There was an annoying beeping noise that came from my strange-looking wristwatch thing. Then I saw shadows approaching, and suddenly everything drowned in thick fog. I woke up shaking, the beeping still echoing in my ears. I have a feeling I'll see this place again. This was not in my backpack. It's that stupid Discord kitten. I'm telling you guys gotta be careful. These kittens are getting out of hand, dude. Crap. Didn't do that. Not new security level 1. Let's go. All right. Yep. You have to undergo training to confirm it. Proceed to the shooting range. They give more stuff in my backpack. I heard something. No, stay out of the back. So I gotta go to the shooting range. I'll see you later, baby. Baby. Okay. Oh, I'm not meaning to run. I got controller drift, guys, and the main way I move is by pressing down on the stick. But in this game, that causes you to sprint, so I'm having to like sprint and not sprint. But it's really difficult. It sucks. I set parameters to stop it from happening, but like 3 days, 23 hours, 4 minutes. Until what comes? That weird thing that the guy went through? I think it might be that. Survival training. $300 for training? That's shotted. Alright.
Welcome back, Explorer. This is the UNPSC training facility. To confirm your access level, you must pass a qualification test. Upon completing the procedure, you will be granted rights to buy better equipment.
Alright. I already know what probes are, but let's go over it again. The probes. Oh, what is this? You'll be able to detector. You will be using it to find valuable artifacts. Can be found in large clusters of anomalies. They are worth good money. Some have special properties. Fast beeping and green indicator means the artifact is ready and means you're going in the right direction. Use a trigger to use a flash to reveal nearby artifacts. Let's find some artifacts. It's a potato! I love this artifact. You can stay right there. You can also detect special monsters, rifts. They're hidden and able to revive other monsters. No! Ah! Flashlight. I can't, shrink it, shrink it. Potato. Yeah, that was stressful. I hate those sounds. It's gonna be so intense. Fighting people and then that goes off. What's that? Tide meter gadget on top of it. Tide meter is a timer that tracks the tide, the global phenomenon that resets everything in the radius, monsters, artifacts, anomalies, etc. If you find yourself in the radius during the tide, don't panic. The tide won't kill you, but it'll carry you to a random place. The tide is not coming yet, don't worry. If the sound's getting on your nerves, feel free to press the button to turn the tide meter off. Oh, nice. So the tide. Mind the tide. All enemies would come back, you'll be able to loot again. Alright, grab the gun from the desk. Ho ho. When your gun jams, rack the side to unjam. This mag is empty. Pick up the gun from the desk. Put the PM in the vise, okay? Oh, okay. Fix the yellow lever damage. Spray the weapon with oil and brush it. Grab the oil spray. Grab the brush. Oh, this is the two. Yeah, that's what I found. Spray oil on the gun with the trigger and clean it with the brush. Off. If the dirt starts coming off in splatters, you're doing it right. You can also check the weapon condition in the item info. Starting from the blue level and below, use the Raymond and paper. Okay, so it's different levels of bad. Raymond and paper. Here, the Raymond. BI. This thing has condition. Goodness. Controls help. Repair this gun with blue alert. Attach a tissue and bring it to the barrel and start cleaning. Okay, put this on. Oh, do we need to do more? Oh yeah. Okay, what's the condition? Okay. Oh, this ain't nice and clean yet. Nice. The mag is empty, I know that.
Despite our best efforts, the only ones able to enter the radius, the former inhabitants of Pechorsk, die of organ failure if leaving the 2-kilometer zone around it. The committee needs your help in exploring the phenomenon and finding a cure. The radius is clearly hostile, and only...
I skipped them out. Nerd. Alright. As you can see, this video is about to end. Let's go, real quick, organize this booty. What's this? You're not like the other flashlights. You blind me. I'm not going out. No, I'm not going out. No. Go back to my room. Flashlight collection. Is it like in worse condition? Can't tell because they look different. It's weird. Whatever. Oh my goodness. Ammo. Movie magazine box or in between boxes. I don't need that information. What's this? Put a can in your hand, take the ring pull the trigger, pull it open, take a knife, eat it with a hand, or take a knife, eat it with a knife from the can like a real warrior. Guitar? No, get out of my way. Guitar. I want to play the guitar. It says why. Grab a pick to play. I want to play. Nice. I love this guitar. I love the guitar. Alright. We could use this area and store this stuff. I'm going to have to use artifacts. You guys can pause to read this. I'm not going to read it. Whoa! I read something about pressing the trigger on this. Can I sell that later? I might sell that later. Alright. Food first. You. Oh, is this food? Physical needs. Shut up. I don't know what I'm doing. I can take care of myself, Mom. Alright, darts. Oh! Yeah. Yeah. Right in the balls. Let's go sell this stuff. That's fun. Can you grab all this stuff? I can grab all this stuff. Bucket of paint. Graphite. Let's go, let's go golfing. Let's go golfing. I got some stuff to sell. Alright, let's sell some crap. Can I sell stuff? Oh no, I don't want to look here. What can I sell? Delivery, repair. I don't want repair. Upgrade. I don't want to upgrade. How do I sell stuff? Let's get the bottom. Oh, put items into the bin to sell them. All right. That. This bolt. Sell. Give me that honey money. Alright. So. What do we got here? Suppressors. Oh, I want suppressors. Oh, I love this. Okay. 5 on equipment. Flare. Light for up to a minute. Okay. Headlamp. I like that headlamp. I need security level 2. Food. Sunflower seeds. Recreational goods. Oh my goodness. 1,000. Can I sell that for that much? Pack of ciggies. Oh, I'm not. Science equipment. What camera? Advanced probes. Much more visible. Okay. Simple but reliable analog camera with electronic components. Scientifically designed for scientific study in the zone. Alright. Combat equipment. A knife. And monocular viewing. Okay. That's what I had. Just cheap and simple smoker, I think. And then all fragmentation grenade for grenade launchers. Goodness. I don't need this much. Weapon cleaning. More scrap. Armor. Oh, we need to level up, my guys. We need guns. Oh. Oh, baby. Oh. I want to get a rifle. Oh, I could buy that looking thing, okay. Can I buy a rifle? Oh, there's so much good stuff. Oh, the shotty! Small. That's a big old shotgun. I don't want a big old shotgun. Like this is perfect. Side saddle? Oh. Yeah. Yes. Yes. And then let's buy some bullets. Yes. Yes. Yes, I'm coping. Yes. Yes. Yes! A big box. Nah. Let's just get 2 of these. Alright. Yeah. Bye. Give me it. Give me that now. Give me. Mi amor. Betty. What's her name? Betty. No safety on her. She don't like safety. Oh, yes. What if the shotgun shells I have? Okay, like... Oh. Can I put them on, like... Oh, Betty. Mi amor. Me gusta. Alright. Now do these shells work in here? Yes, they do! Oh, they don't come out? Okay, they do. Oh, Betty, mi amor. It has like a little print right there. Oh, this is gonna be my love weapon. Goodness, sawed off and everything. All right, we're loaded up. We got a shotty. We got a pistol, all nice and clean. And baby, we're strapped. We're strapped. You guys want to see more of the series? Like the video, comment if you like it. Who is this? Betty? You've been cheating on me? You can't have 2 Bettys. Hold up. What's this letter? Who gave me Betty without telling me? Shotguns, machine guns, SMG, you can put them behind her. This is a scam! I just bought this with my own money! This is a... Yeah, that's fine. You're a scam. You're a cheater. You did it on me. How could you do this, Betty? You were banging another shotgun? We'll take her buckshot, but we're selling this lady as soon as we get on her. Just like the old times. Just like my papa taught me. Betty. Betty, you look good. You look like you would be a good one. Get off here. You thought Betty 2, that's your name. You thought you could get away? You thought that I wouldn't notice? You think that I would have 2 Bettys? I banish thee! 100... Betty? Why are you so dirt cheap? Why are you only... They are literally the same thing, and I bought this for like $500. I can only sell it for $100. Okay, you're staying with us. You're gonna be a moment to make sure to check into my stinking room whenever before I buy anything. These cigs? These cigs? Oh, I'm taking these for sure. Hold on. Betty, you can wait a minute. I got something I love more than you. Is that food? Oh, you guys got cake? My cake's abortion. What's abortion? Ugh. Oh, lighter. What's this? Lord. Lighter. Ugh, a bad day. Working 9 to 5. Okay, can I just get the stupid knife? Get the stupid. Kill it. I'll kill you. Anything in here that I need to rob before I go on my rant about drugs? You know what? Betty, it's been a hard day. Bunch of disappointment. Betty, the true Betty. Betty won. You're the one I like seeing at home. So stupid, dude. Betty too. It will be a disappointment. I feel so cool holding 2 shotguns with a cig in my mouth. Looking rad as crap. Yeah. Stupid door. Disappointment. Always be the disappointment of the family. Of the Betty family. All shotguns are Betty. All shotguns are cigarettes. Stupid Betty. Oh, Betty won. I love you. But stupid Betty too. Well, if you guys liked that, I want to continue seeing me suffer throughout this very, very not horrifying and downright spine-chilling game. Subscribe, comment, tell me what you like, tell me what you hate, tell me if you like my cringe jokes, tell me if you don't. Kill me, I don't care. See you guys later. Ooh, dart.